Times are tough, so we all look for ways to maximize every peso, right? Did you know there's a rewards program that lets you earn points as good as cash just by paying for your monthly basic bills? What's up guys, Kim here, Figatech, and today we'll let you know how you can get the most out of paying your phone and internet bills. MVP Rewards is a first of its kind rewards program because you can get so much more out of it. Pay your bills or load up and points as good as cash. Enroll different types of accounts and earn all the points in one wallet. Show the card and get discounts, plus get a chance to win a cash back on your bills monthly. To become a member, just go to mvprewards.ph and sign up for an account and a card. You get to enjoy the rewards program and at the same time, have your very own PayMaya account in your phone all in one go. Right off the bat, you can start earning points. Because it's a PayMaya card, points are as good as cash. You can use them anywhere you like and they don't expire. You can even top up your PayMaya account so that you can use it to shop online. As an MVP Rewards member, you also get to enjoy awesome perks. You can get discounts, cashbacks or rebates from over 100 partner merchants nationwide. And because it's powered by PayMaya, you can use it for cashless transactions in more than 1,000 merchants. Paying our mobile phones and internet bills is inevitable and not exactly the most exciting time of the month. So getting rewarded for it is definitely a major deal. What do you guys think? If you have any questions, leave us a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Better yet, go to mvprewards.ph and sign up now. Hit the like button if you like this video and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. This is Kim of Figatech and see you in the next one. Bye!